Assalamu alaikum. So today we'll be doing our practical work on this Cisco packet tracer, and this is the workspace where we will be doing designing our network. So today's class we'll try to create one P2P network. Okay, so we'll be using some basic network. We connect two PCs, and then we connect a number of PCs with the switch. Okay, so let's see how it's going to happen. So this is our common device toolbox, and this is our specific device toolbox. In common device toolbox we have different network devices. Okay, so I just select the end devices. These are the network devices. These are the end devices. In the end device, I'll just go and select the PC1, and I click the PC1 here, and I go and select the PC2, and I click the PC2 here, and then I go and select the PC3, and I click the PC3 here. Okay, so I can delete any PC I want to. I can just select the delete, and I can delete any PC I want to. And if I want to just bring my mouse back, I'll just bring the escape button. Okay, after escape button you can just release your mouse from that. So I have these two PCs. I want to, just for the sake of connectivity, I'll just take one of the cables, that is our crossover cable. Just connect this. I have these interfaces available for my PC, so I'll be connecting not with the USB. I'll be connecting the Ethernet, fast Ethernet from this PC. Now as it's such as I have plugged my PC with the cable, so I'll go and connect this cable to my another PC with fast Ethernet. So now these two PCs are actually connected. Okay, so what I need is just to go and configure the PCs. I click my PC, I come into this environment. Okay, here I have different buttons, so I just for the sake of understanding basic, I'll go for desktop. Okay, in the desktop I have to just configure the IP, so I just click in the IP configuration. So I'll go here to give it an IP address that should be static. Okay, if I want to configure it through the server, I could use the DHCP. So I'm just configuring basic network, so I'll be using static IP address. For the sake of learning, we use standard IP address, that is 192.168.1.2. Okay, I'm not using here .1.1 because one we mostly, it's good practice to keep one for your the gateway. So as you tab, you get your subnet mask automatically. So this PC is configured. I go into my next PC. Okay, I do same thing with my next PC. That is, I give IP address 192.168.1.3. Okay, tab, this one is done. So now these two pieces are connected. Okay, and I can just go into this PC and I can ping this. Okay, and I don't see means my data is being sent here or not. So I go into this command prompt. Here I'm in this PC's command prompt. I want to ping this PC, so I will write the command ping 192.168.1.3. Okay, so this is the this PC I want to see connected, so it's ping. Connectivity is fine. All four packets were sent and all four packets were received successfully. So this is very easy. That's one I have done. So let's just, you can ping it from here as well. So I'll just, for the sake of your understanding, I can ping from this PC as well. Ping 192.168.1.2. Okay, so I'm pinging this PC from this PC. So it's same, huh? It's fine. So this is our very basic network. So I now use some switches. So let me use some switches. So I'll just go and just try to remove this connection. Okay, and bring another end device here. Okay, and then select one network device. That I'll select not the router this time. Router will be in the next lecture inshallah. So I'll just select the switch, and the basic switch, that is 2960, and it is 24 interface available for us. So simple. I'll just go and just connect these pieces. I'll be using this time not just one click. I'll just press the control key in my keyboard, and I click the cable. With cable I want to connect, so control key I have already pressed. I've clicked the cable. Okay, now this cable is like this. So I just connect same way my fast Ethernet to this computer, and I connect it with the, it has 24 interfaces. I will connect any of them, so I'll just go one by one. This one with the 1, and this one with the 2, okay, and this one with the 3. Done. So I just connected this PC. So as many as you can connect them all, but you have to give them the IP addresses. So these buttons are at present orange, so they will turn into green, so you can see the connectivity will be fine. So I'll just go in this PC because I already configured this PC. So I go into this PC and give IP address to this PC. I'm just in this PC and I give IP address 192.168.1.3. I have already given, so 4. Okay, so this computer is an IP address. Okay, this computer is an IP address 192.168.1.2. okay, just copy it, and I will just be using this here to paste it here. I will be using 3. Okay, and here I will just use another, so control V and 4. So now it's quite visible for me that I can see all those my devices, okay, all my PCs. So this is the IP address of this PC, IP address of this PC, IP address of this PC. So I can now ping any of those PCs. So this time I will not be using ping. I will be trying to use this PDU. So I just select this PDU. Before you select this PDU, so you see where my mouse is going. My mouse is going exactly rightmost corner of my monitor. Here is an arrow showing there is a menu behind. So I just click it here. This window appears. This box appears here. So this is our scenario box. You can create different scenarios here. So I just take my PDU here and click it here, and I just click it here. Okay, I want to send this PDU to check the connectivity between these two PCs. So here as I click, you can see this shows the successful sending source was PC0, this one, and the receiving is PC3, this one. So it's successfully sent. I can do this, I am in real time, so I can do the simulation to check how it is happening. So I just come into the simulation and I say play now. So you can see the packets are coming from here to the switch, and then from the switch, okay, it came to the switch, and from the switch it came to the PC. So from the switch it went to the PC number 3, okay, and now from PC to switch number, this came back here, okay, and from the switch to PC 2, it from switch to PC 2, it's successfully done. So it was successful. We have seen the packet was sent and received. So now what we can do, we can easily simply delete this, okay, and come into our real-time environment. So this is our network, okay, with the switch. So what I do, I just to make it look good, I select all and control C and control V, and take this new network here and click somewhere which release the connectivity. So I just bring this PC here, okay. So these computers are exactly the same mirror. So I will just go and change the IP addresses here first in the label. So this is this I would give the IP address 5, okay. So in this I would give the IP address 6. In this I would give the IP address that is 7. So I just take these labels, okay, behind as in this other network I have. Okay, so I will just go into this PC, and instead of having the same IP address, I will be making this IP address as 5. Okay, so this is my 5, this one should be my 6, this one is 6, okay, and this one is 7. Okay, I'm done. Okay, now I have to connect these switch together. So I just take the crossover cable, connect this fast Ethernet to this switch, okay, and now you can just speed up the process while waiting. You can use this forward button. You can see now these are connected, all network is connected. So I can ping any packet from any packet. So first I'll do ping, then I PDU. So ping I'll do from PC number here ping 192.168.1 dot any of the PCs 1234 or any of the PCs here. Okay, so I'll just click 192.168.3. Let's make it 3. Okay, so it's successful. Okay, so I just give one wrong IP address here. There is no 8 available, or there is no 1 available. So I just click it here. So just for the sake of demonstration, you understand how the wrong information appears. So you see the timeout is given here. If the means PC or there's some problem, the timeout will appear. So we didn't have any problem in our network here. All packets were sent successfully. Okay, here the packets are lost, and it is saying us could not find the destination. Timeout is there. Okay, so last thing we'll do with this, I'll use the PDU. I just click the PDU here, and I'll just click the PDU here, and see it is successful. And I'll go for the simulation and check how it is happening. It's coming from this PC to this switch number 0. From switch number 0 to goes to switch number 1. It is coming to switch number, from switch number 1 it will go to the PC number 6. That is, it comes to this PC 1.1. Okay, IP address is 6. Successful. Okay, it's same coming back from there. Thank you very much for watching. Okay, inshallah I'll come next in class. I'll come with some server and routers. Thank you very much.